Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for those of you who are new here. On today's video I have a fall appropriate makeup look using the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, which I've featured on my summer favorites video. And this is this beautiful warm tone eyeshadow palette, which many people are loving and raving about it, and the rave is real. So yeah, if you want to see how I recreate this rusty kind of look using only shadows from this eyeshadow palette, then just keep watching. I will start by priming my lids, and I'm giving another chance to my Smashbox lid primer. By the way guys, all the products that I'm gonna use on this video will be linked down below on the description box. And now I will start to build the transition. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and for my transition I will start first with the shade called Citrine. Which is a yellow, almost mustard shade. So the shadows are blending like a dream. And by the way, the brush that I'm using is a Zoeva Luxe S228 brush. Next I'm gonna take the shade Jasper, and I will add that on my crease. This brush is not that good for this activity. But we will go back with the Zoeva and finish the job. And as you can see, I decided to not use today the tape scotch. I like that you have a nice clean job after you are done. But sometimes I like the things to be a bit less polished. Next I'm gonna go a bit more deep, and I will take the shade Clove, and I will add that on my outer corner. Now that we have our eyelid framed, I'm gonna take the shade. I oscillate between the Azalea, which is this more warm shimmery shade, more rusty shade, and the Day Spring, which is this on the corner. I think I will go for the Azalea. Ooh. This is really pretty. What I mostly like about this palette, it is that you have almost endless choices. So I have used it several times. I will post here a picture with other look that I did using this palette, and you are still have left with plenty of options. So the versatility is insane. And all the shades are usable. Okay, so this shade has a bit of a fallout here on the bridge of my nose. We will take care of that. It's normal, as being a shimmery shade, this is normal. And I wasn't gentle at all, to be honest. I should have been more careful. Now I'm gonna re-intensify my crease, and I will take a mix of the shade Clove and Jasper. Okay, I had to reassess the situation because the glitter was all over my under eye area and on the bridge of my nose, so I had to clean everything and redo the concealer. So next time I will use the glitter on the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I will keep in mind that I will wet the brush before, so I will keep the mess at the bay. Let's see how it goes. On my lower line, I will take first the shade Citrine. This is looking really nice on the on the lower line, I wanted to say. But yeah, I will connect it a bit with my outer V, so I can have this diffused yellow shade like a halo. And then I will take the shade Clove. I usually don't do waterline because my eyes are small, so I feel this it will close them up even more. I could add a flesh tone pencil on my waterline though. Okay, so this is for the moment. I will do my liner, mascara and the inner rim out of camera, and then I will come back to finish my face. As we are speaking, I realized that I spoke halfway through this and I was not recording anything because my remote doesn't want to work anymore, and I pressed the button but it didn't turn on. So I was telling you that I use the mellow liquid liner to line my eyes, and I really love this pen. The only thing I would have preferred to be different, and this is the actual tip. This is a felt tip liner, and I like those which are flexible, either more flexible felt tip or a brush. This is just a preference, but other than that, the quality of this pencil is really good. And for my lashes, I've used the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline on my upper lashes and the Super Fan from Smashbox on my lower lashes. I prefer this one on my lower lashes because the wand is quite small and you can define all lashes that you have underneath, and I feel that I have more lashes when I use this mascara comparing with Maybelline or any other mascara that has a bigger wand. And on my inner rim I've added the Wet n Wild highlighting pen. I don't add really often liner on my inner rim. One is because, as I told before, my eyes are small, and second is the fact that I'm not really comfortable to add something on my waterline which is so close to my eyeballs. You can get infections quite fast if you do that and you don't sharpen your eye pencil. So one tip I want to give you: if you use to line your inner rim and you see that your eyes are red, try to sharpen your pencil in case that you are using a sharpenable one. Try to sharpen it every time you do that, because what happens now after I line it, you can tell, if it will focus, that the actual pen, the actual tip, it is dirty. So next time when you will add it on your waterline, you will add the same junk that is there, and this is not healthy for you. So this is my final eye look. I feel that I was speaking too much and I really love how it turned out. Now I will go ahead and I will finish the makeup of my face. So I will also use the blush shade to kiss my cheeks. This is my favorite way to saying that I apply the blush. I'm not sure exactly where from I've heard this expression, and I embrace it. And for the highlighter I will use this Taupe powder and the tip of this brush. I haven't used the MAC satin lipstick in shade Twig in a while, and I remember I even keep it on the box, and I remember I've got it in a beauty box from UK. So look how pretty it is, and it's more toward brown, so I feel it works really nice with this look. And I feel the pencil from Juice Cosmetics, the lip pencil in shade Orion, it's complementing this shade. So let's try to see how it works. This lip pencil from Juice Cosmetics has one of the great formula I've tried after the Drawer Cosmetics Bel Air. The shade it's not the same, but the quality it's almost similar, so I'm really pleased that I got. They are really working well together. Definitely I love how my lips have turned out. But yeah, this is the final look, guys, and I did really had fun recreate it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, give it some love. Just give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in your comments down below what other type of looks would you like me to recreate. I'm in a mood now that I want to recreate or create more fun looks, something which I haven't done on my channel. And if you wish some particular look, just let me know in the comment down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're subscribed before you leave, I would like to thank you in advance. And also, if you know someone who can benefit from viewing this video, please share it with them. Have a great, blessed day ahead, and I will see you again on my next video.